Dear students, grade A, let us start our session with Economics, Unit 1 and Introduction. In this session, we are going to learn about villages, Sandai, barter system and types of economic activities. Villages. Early man who hunted and gathered food. Later, they started to cultivate crops. When they found rivers which provided them water, settled down permanently near the rivers. These permanent settlements were called villages. Farming is a main occupation in villages. Even Gandhiji has said that the villages are the backbone of our country. In villages, once in a week or month, all things are sold in a particular place at a specific time to meet the needs of the people. That is called Sandai. The activities are carried out in the Sandai are buying and selling. Small traders and other people buy things from Sandai. The finished goods which are bought from the market to fulfill the daily needs of the consumers is called consumer goods. For example, rice, clothes, bicycles, etc. In olden days, we had a system of exchanging goods for other goods called barter system. For example, exchange a bag of rice for enough clothes. A person who has rice in surplus and a person who has cloth in surplus will exchange on the basis of their needs. But here the problem is that the person who has cloth should have the willingness to buy rice. Only then the exchange through barter system will take place. When they exchange commodities, they may lead to certain problems when comparing the differences in the value of commodity. To solve this problem, people invented a tool called money. Savings. The amount from the income which is left for future needs after consumption is called savings. Agriculture. Agriculture remains to be the root of our economy even today. Man has no limits for his demand. Based on this, man started to learn new occupations. Those who are involved in farming and grazing are called farmers or cultivators. Farmers. Farmers are just producers. Their products are bought and sold by some mediators. So the farmers get very little money. Cities and villages. Both cities and villages are important on their own. More than 50% of the world's population live in cities. In our state Tamil Nadu, 47% of the people are in cities. Tamil Nadu is well developed in secondary and tertiary activity as well. Employment opportunities are more in cities than villages. People involved in small scale industries and unorganized sectors are mostly found in cities. Agriculture and industries are helpful in the economic development of our country. Our country's economy is based on three economic activities, that is, primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. Primary activities. They are concerned with the production of raw materials for foodstuff and industrial use. Primary activities include agriculture, fishing, mining, collection of fruits, etc. Secondary activities. The raw materials obtained from the primary activities are converted into finished products through machinery on a large scale. These activities are called secondary activities. Industries are classified on the basis of availability of raw materials, capital, and ownership. On the basis of raw materials, industries are classified as agro-based industries, forest-based industries, mineral-based industries, and marine-based industries. Cotton textile is an example for agro-based industries. Paper mill is an example for forest-based industries. Cement, iron, aluminium industries is an example for mineral-based industries. Sea product processing is an example for marine-based industries. Tertiary activities. The industries produce goods and distribute them to the people. For this purpose, some services are required. These services are called tertiary activities or service sectors. The service sector serves the people to fulfill their daily needs like transport, communication, trade, banking. Transport. The modes of transport are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Communication, that is post, telephone, information technology, etc. Trade, that is procurement of goods and selling. Banking, that is money transaction and other banking service. In this session, we learned about villages, Sandai, barter system, and types of economic activities. Thank you.